Namaste, welcome to Babita's Easy Recipes. In this video today you can see how I am preparing this banana malpua. So let's see the video. So for this recipe I am using here 3 bananas, then sugar as per taste, 1 bowl I am using rice flour powder, and half bowl maida, and 1 cup of milk I am using, then baking powder half teaspoon I am going to use, and you can also use cardamom powder or cardamom. Now I don't have that cardamom, but if you are preparing that time you can use it. So first put these bananas in a bowl and with the help of fork smash these bananas. Now add this rice flour powder. I am adding maida, and sugar, I am adding very little baking powder. This milk, now mix everything nicely. I am also adding little half spoon ghee to this batter. Consistency should be this much, it should be like this. So now we can fry this malpua. Fry this malpua on low flame. Now these malpuas are ready. Like this small size malpua also you can make. You can see these malpuas are ready. So friends, banana malpua is ready. So as you can see in the video, it is very easy to prepare. I hope you will like this recipe. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Take care.